In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Yahoo your home page. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you're inside Chrome, turn your attention to the upper right corner. There, you'll spot the Chrome menu icon, which looks like 3 vertical dots. Go ahead, give that a click, and a drop-down menu will make its grand appearance. From this menu, select the Settings option. This choice will usher you into the Settings page where, today, we're going to make some specific changes. Now that you're in the settings, you'll notice a list of sections on the left-hand side. Here, focus your attention on the section labeled Appearance. This is where you can tweak the visual aspects of your browser, but most importantly, it's where the magic happens in terms of setting your home page. So, head into the Appearance Settings section. In the Appearance area, you'll see an option that says Show Home button. By default, this might be turned off. What you'll want to do is toggle that switch to turn it on. This nifty little home button will act as your gateway to Yahoo, allowing you easy access whenever you need it. Once enabled, a couple of options will appear right beside it. Next, select the radio button for Enter Custom Web Address. This step is crucial because it allows you to specify the website that the home button will lead to. In the field provided next to this option, type in www.yahoo.com. With that simple entry, Yahoo is now poised to greet you whenever the home button is clicked. But hang tight, we're not quite finished yet. For the next part, glance back to the section on the left where you initially found Appearance. This time, look for the tab labeled On Startup. Give that a click, and it'll unveil a few more settings. The objective here is to ensure that every time you fire up Chrome, Yahoo is ready to greet you. To achieve this, select the option that reads Open a specific page or set of pages. Then, click on Add a new page. A little prompt will pop up, asking for a URL. Here's where you type in www.yahoo.com once again. After that, simply click on the Add button. Finally, let's see your handiwork in action. Click on the home icon that you enabled earlier. It sits just to the left of the address bar at the top. Once clicked, Yahoo will instantly appear as your home page. And there you have it. Now, whenever you open your browser or hit that home icon, you'll be instantly transported to Yahoo. It's a handy trick to save you both time and a few clicks along the way.